What up, fam, and welcome back to the vlog. I'm DEB, and before we get into much today, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified. We drop good, wonderful videos like these. So today we have a Amazon unboxing video. My wife bought some Amazon things for the boys, and she wants me to tear into them. So let's get into it, shall we? Small first. Right on in the way. I'm really curious as to what she purchased, because here lately, May is the Amazon junkie, and I'm just around the house minding my business. As we would say in earlier days, I just live here. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it watches.
So just open one.
They lit. These is lit.
So that's for the boys' Christmas.
And as you can see,
Put that back in the box.
we have 3 of those.
Yeah, I was gonna put it back in the box. Or you can pass it to me.
Yes.
I'll put it back in the box.
Let's do this one next.
Let's do the box.
This one.
Put it in the box.
All right. Let's get this one next. Feel like in my crew. I mean, but again, I don't know so much about girls as far as boys. We like boxes. Now they know they bought too big for this. We have got a pretend food set. This is going to go with their kitchen set that we already have downstairs that we purchased from Kohl's. I'm looking forward to that. Oh, this is someone else's watch, because you know everybody can't have Don. He ain't quite ready for the digital like everybody else. And I mean, these just some bottles for the baby. See, stuff like this is kind of easy for us, you know what I mean, guys? Because we have to order things day in, day out with the quantity of kids we have. So realistically for us, me being behind that box, so realistically for us, stuff like this is way more advantageous and feasible. We got a slime kit. I know they're gonna be excited about that. And we have
Those
2
are
kitchen sets.
pots
yes,
and pans.
pots and pans. They just sealed, so we're gonna see that on another day. Y'all will see it when they open it.
Oh, Christmas,
right?
yeah.
Got a megaphone.
It's actually 2 of those. I don't know why they send them separate.
Great for us, because y'all know with kids and devices that make noise,
They gonna
they
be out
finna
here.
turn up.
Yeah.
They finna turn up. Let's see what's in here. These are the clothes. Get cozy, bitch. Heavy duty. Oh, that's the suctions for the cop. flannel blanket.
You can pop it open. too.
We got 2 flannel blankets. So the kids around this boy, they got them some Bentleys now. You know, creme de la creme. Feel nice.
It's actually yours.
You full of it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So, are you sure they were mine and that one ain't yours and that one mine?
I'm not sure they want to sell, so I just got 2.
Oh, okay. Cause this one was peach and I ain't know what you got.
It's
what colors you got?
It's braided.
Oh, okay.
Don't do that. It look peach.
I was about to say compared to this red.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Alabama's also crimson, so both
That's
of them
what
same
it was
color.
supposed to be, crimson. You can pull up.
Let's see which color we got in younger.
Green? Blue. I can't remember what I got. Brown.
I was gonna say it's brown.
Yeah, it's brown.
Defund brown, mama. And last, thank you for my Bentley. Now I ain't gotta be around the house being nippy because the kids have jacked me for all of the
Show them the other
Bentleys.
stuff.
I am. Oh, so these ain't pants for the children and these will be pants for me, huh?
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Thank you. You be with
The stuff.
yeah.
Put it on the other side. Yeah.
And last, but certainly not least, the big box. Cause it took up more space. You gotta wait fast.
I got them, y'all. Oh, these are sweatpants for Dun Dun. That's it. Happy birthday! Surprise!
Yet again, dear.
Yeah,
You were so
for
sweet,
Christmas.
and that is very clear. Oh yeah, our ornaments for Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. How the kids love to decorate.
Yep.
And this is
Is that the rug?
yeah.
I
It's
told
comfortable,
you.
soft, 5 by 8 feet. Great.
We gonna see when we.
Fluff that boy out.
Yes, that's supposed to be a rug, y'all.
And a suction mount for the vehicle,
And a,
as well as a joey.
and this is a, open this.
Oh, I don't know why I set these to the side.
Oh, that's, they can see what's on the front.
This
It's
is
a
star.
star for the Christmas
Star.
tree. And that's a,
It's like a
it go under the Christmas tree. Not
skirt.
a rug, a skirt, Christmas skirt.
there you go. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick, and to the point video. This unboxing is one I'm missing, ain't it? Cause I don't. Where's the second?
Oh, I'm gonna check my phone.
To make sure they both were delivered.
Yeah.
Well, sadly, the point of the video has come where we must let you guys go. So until next video, fam. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Be the life for someone else to emulate, because you never know what your kind words and gestures could do for someone else's day. Oh, we have one more.
That's it.
Oh, the other megaphone, y'all.
Yeah.
We gotta put my hands on it. You know what I'm talking about? We out here for real, y'all.
And if you guys like us opening our Amazon packages, seeing what we bought on Amazon this week, this month, this day, however, let us know down below too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, we got you. Human intelligence, savvy-wise, you know what I'm saying?
Now that the food out the way.
All right. Let's see what we got.
Surprise!
Well, gracious, bacious. What it is, what it do. Thanks to my can't open too far. Don't want to touch my ski food. So I can have no shoestrings for a change.
What?
You know, you always be talking about, thank you, I appreciate you. I'm just saying, you know, usually when I see shoes like this and I be trying to get them like, no, babe, you need shoestrings.
It is shoestrings. Right there.
I guess. But it's into the fabric at the bottom, look.
Barely. It just looks like that.
I mean, they fine. I like them. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to understand the playing field now.
Well, but technically you're wrong because I got shoestrings, so it's not what you're talking about.
I've done something wrong. Yeah, right. But I'm always right. Man.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, sweetheart.
I was trying to say, oh, that camera turned upside down. I thought it had stopped recording. Okay.
Oh, no.
We finna get ready to call y'all.
Yes.
Mike.
So, sadly, we have come to that point in the video.
We must let y'all go.
So, until
next video.
Love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Be the life someone else to emulate because you never know what your kind words and gestures could do for the next person's day.